Now we will rise for ICI motto.
य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति कामं 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 कामपुरुषो पुरुषो निर्मिमाणः निर्मिमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः शतः सर्वे तदूनात्यति कश्चन एतद्द्वैता 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 एतद्द्वैता.
Thank you. Now I request to come to the dais CA Manu Rishi Verma ji, convener of Vitta Salakar CA Study Circle. Now request Shri Dilip Kumar Panmaranske ji, past deputy convener, Vitta Salakar CA Study Circle. Now I request Shri Hariram Agarwal ji, Vice Chairman ICI, AIRC. Now request Mayur Agarwal ji, Chairman ICI, AIRC. Now I request Shri Vikas Jain ji, today's learned speaker. Please join on the dais. Now I request CA Vishnu Kumar Tulsian ji, immediate past chairman, AIRC ICI. Friend, you know that today we will be discussing throughout the day on different topics. And first of all, we have learned speaker C. Vikas Jain ji, who will be deliberating on the topic income tax. You know that from 1st April 2006, new income tax act has come, and from throughout this year, all the transactions will be applicable on the new act. But you know that at the same time, the earlier act, which will be applicable for return filing and all this for this year. So since particularly from my side, I have not gone through the whole act. So today, all of you, with you, I will be also learning the new act and what is the impact of the earlier act in this year. So this topic, I think, will be very interesting, and definitely from Vikas Jain ji, will be enhancing our knowledge in the both the Income Tax Earlier Act and the new Act. So without taking much more time, I request CA our chairman CA Mayur Agarwal ji for his address. I request Mayur Agarwal ji to come to the dais, please.
Good afternoon, all the delegates seated on the dais. Convener of With Salakar CA Study Circle CA Manu Rishi Verma, Vice Chairman East India Regional Council CA Hariram Agarwal, Past Chairman East India Regional Council CA Vishnu Kumar Tulsian, Past Convener of With Salakar Study Circle CA Vishnu Bashya ji, Past Deputy Convener of the same Study Circle CA Dilip Pramanandka ji, our first speaker of the day CA Vikas Jain, and dear delegate. Sir, this program is jointly organized with Salakar CA Study Circle. Our study circle are part of the institute and they help us to promulgate various program, and this program I am thankful to With Salakar for joining in and doing this joint program for the members at large. We are covering 3 different aspects in today's program. We are starting with the Income Tax Act 25. We'll also be covering in the second speaker, CA Sudhir Bhatia, would be talking on Companies Amendment Bill, which has now been forwarded to JPC, as well as he will be discussing on the current aspect of the bill with Companies Act with respect to loans, deposits and related party transaction. And our third speaker, CA Abhishek Tibrewal, would be discussing on the step-to-step guide on filing appeals before G-States. So these are the new things which are happening already. Recently G-State has been promulgated and it has been notified, and it has started hearing few cases as well. Very soon this new amended companies bill, which has 109 amendments in 109 sections, it has gone to JPC, but most probably most of the section will be as it is. So what are the upcoming changes we are trying to deal? Other than that, we are organizing regular programs for members and students. I take this moment to request each one of you to kindly guide us, keep on guiding us, share your suggestions so that we can keep on organize what you need. Tomorrow we have a program at Center of Excellence. The program is on global opportunities for Indian Chartered Accountant. There are various speakers coming from the entire country. There are speakers who are already running their own GCCs, having employee strength of 1,000 to 2,000. They are coming in, they will be sharing practical insight, how they have been able to build their global practice in 5 years, 10 years, and how our chartered accountants now can build their global practice. There are speakers like Chetan Venugopal is there, Manneet Singh is there, Karthik Rao and various other speakers. So those of you interested can join that program. We also have a AI workshop on Saturday at Center of Excellence. Again, this is a bit advanced program. Already in the Eastern India Regional Council, we have already done 40 odd batches of AI. So now members are expecting something advanced. So this is an advanced level AI workshop where we will be taking forward, like with the use of AI, members at large are now developing various softwares, various apps. But then there are some glitches still on this software. So how to ensure your softwares and your apps are glitch free, and how you can convert this software into product, you can launch it on your website, on the apps, and how you can make it sellable. So we are we'll be talking around that in this workshop. Various other programs. Next week we are doing a 2-day refresher course on 23rd and 24th on accounting standard. So now we will be starting the audit season very soon. So it is very important that at least for the SME practitioners that we revise our accounting standard applicability. So with respect to SME practitioners, on 23rd and 24th we are having a 2-day refresher course on accounting standard. 25th members, we are celebrating the accounting standard day. So a big program we are organizing at Hotel HHI on 25th. It is a full day program. various accounting standard and Ind AS. We are having 3-4 panel discussions in and around accounting standard and in Ind AS. So those of you who are interested may join these programs. And once again, thank you for joining this program, and thanks to With Salakar Study Circle for joining in, and our gratitude to our speaker, CA Vikas Jain ji. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayurji, for your so nice deliberation. Now I request CA Hariram Agarwal ji, Manu Rishi Verma ji, convener of the With Salakar, to give a few words.
Good afternoon, friends. Distinguished Chairman EIRC, CA Mayur Agarwal, Vice Chairman CA Hariram Agarwal ji, esteemed speaker and past convener of With Salakar Study Circle. A very warm good afternoon to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure that we with Salakar with jointly doing this program with EIRC. Our institute and study circle remain the most enduring, vibrant forum for upgrading your skills and knowledge. Today's seminar is truly omnibus. We are covering 3 topics: income tax, GST 80, and companies law. And in short, I can say 3 pillars, one afternoon. Our study circle with Salakar is the oldest of its kind in this region. Last year alone, we have organized almost 30 programs covering approx 120 CPE hours. This is not the only counting of number. This is the commitment of learning and raising your skills and knowledge towards your professions. Our distinguished speaker today, we are privileged that Vikas ji is with us, and Abhishek Tibrewal and Bhatia ji will be with us to guide us and give you a significant practical value on the subject, how can we add value in our profession in day-to-day life. And to the delegates, you are the reason that Institute and Study Circle are organizing such program on day basis. Your curiosity, your question and your engagement are a convert seminar into a learning things. Let us make most of the day today, and I request everybody to kindly activate yourself in this day program. Thank you everyone.